Clean Pond Machine Filter and Pod System. A beautiful pond with fish, plants, wildlife and moving water enhances any garden. However, pond keepers face a range of challenges from green water, brown water, sludge and blanket weed. Not to mention the time-consuming and messy matter of maintaining a difficult-to-clean traditional foam filter. The Clean Pond Machine Filter and Pod System is solution-driven and designed to create your dream pond without these challenges. Ponds, especially those with fish, go green very quickly. The UV in the filter is guaranteed to kill this type of green water algae. However, this results in now dead algae cells turning the water brown. The mechanical media in the filter captures most of this waste and removes it from the pond, but some can settle on the pond floor as sludge. Once the brown water is gone, you are left with crystal clear water, the perfect environment to grow blanket weed, another troublesome type of algae. Clean Pond Machine with Pods uniquely clears blanket weed and feeds pond plants, effectively creating a balanced environment. The Pods formula also eats sludge in the filter and from the pond floor, reducing filter maintenance and unsightly pond sludge. And it makes tap water safe for all aquatic life when you top up your pond from a hose. Clean Pond Machine uses exclusive 2-in-1 Chi media for effective mechanical and biological filtration. Due to its unique shapes, the media interlocks, trapping and holding dirt particles, returning the clean water to your pond. By turning the cleaning handle, the internal patented blade mixing system separates and disturbs the locked media. This releases the dirt, which is flushed as waste, leaving you with a clean filter and clean water. Once cleaned, the media floats back into its interlocked state, ready to continue cleaning your pond. And, unlike foams, Chi media never needs replacing. The filter system is exclusively designed with a pod dosing chamber, getting the wildlife-friendly 5-in-1 treatments to the heart of the filter. Clean Pond Pods. Clear blanket weed, reduce filter cleaning, eats pond sludge, feeds aquatic plants, makes tap water safe. Clean Pond Machine comes with a free pack of Clean Pond Pods for optimal effectiveness and pond cleaning. Blagdon Clean Pond Machine can be situated above or in the ground and is run using a pond pump. Clean Pond Machine comes in a range of sizes to suit most ponds. Compare for yourself.